Hello class, I hope all are good and fine. So today we discuss about some important question about your syllabus. So today topic is changing trends and career in physical education unit 1. What is your topic is changing trends and career in physical education. So these are some questions. So question number 1 is define physical education according to SC Buck. Or define physical education according to SC Buck. Okay. So answer is according to SC Buck, physical education is a part of general education program which is considered with growth, development and education of children through the medium of big muscles activities. It is the education of whole child by means of physical activities. Physical activities are the tools. They are so selected and conduct as to influence every child physically, okay, mentally, emotionally and morally. Okay, let's repeat another time question. Okay, the question is define physical education according to SC Buck. Okay, so answer is according to SC Buck, physical education is part of general education program which is considered with growth, development and education of children through the medium of big muscles activities. Okay, it is the education of whole child by means of physical activities. Physical activities are the tools. They are so selected and conduct as to influence every children physically, mentally, emotionally and morally. Okay class. So I hope you all understand about this question. Okay class. So I hope you all understand about what is the physical education definition. Okay. So there's question number second is what is physical education aim and objective. Okay. What is the question? What is physical education aim and objective? Okay. So answer is according to J.F. Williams. Okay. What is according to J.F. Williams? Okay. So physical education should aim to provide skilled leadership, adequate facility and ample time for the individual and the group to participate in activities that are physically wholesome, mentally stimulating and socially sound. Okay. So these are some point of physical education aims and objective. Okay, please read carefully. This is a very important question about your exam. Okay, so there are some points. Is point number 1 is physical development. Okay, so point number 2 is mental development. Third is social development. Fourth is neuromuscular development, and 5 is emotional development, and 6 is development of health. Okay class. So once again I repeat the questions. Question number 2 is what is physical education aim and objective. Okay, so answer is according to J.F. Williams, physical education should aim to provide skill, leadership, adequate facility and ample time for the individual and stimulating and socially sound. Okay, what is the question? Answer according to J.F. Williams, physical education should aim to provide skilled leadership, adequate facility and ample time for the individual stimulating and socially sound. Okay, so these are some important questions, important point. So first is physical development, second mental, third is social, fourth is neuromuscular, and fifth is emotional development, and sixth is development of health. Okay class, so I hope you all understand about aims and objective in physical education. Okay, so let's move next question. Okay class, so our next question is write down any 5 tournaments of football. Okay, what is the question is write down any 5 tournaments of football. Okay, the answer is first number FIFA Cup. This cup is organized by Federation of International Football Association. Okay, it's called FIFA World Cup. Okay, the FIFA World Cup is called. Okay, it was established on May 21, 1994. Okay, so second number is Durand Cup. What is second number is Durand Cup. It is the first tournament of football in India. This cup was started in 1888. Okay, and also is the oldest tournament in India. Okay class, so third number is Subrata Cup. Okay, what is third number? Third number is Subrata Cup. Okay, it is an inter-school tournament of football. What is Subrata Cup? It is a inter-school football tournament. Okay. The fourth number is Rajiv Gandhi Gold Cup. It is a national level tournament of football for boys below 21 years. Okay. So next question is Santosh Trophy. Okay, this is a high national level tournament of football. Okay class. So let's move. Okay class. So our next question is what career option in physical education? What is the question? What career option in physical education? So answer is mainly there are two types of career option in the field of physical education. So first type of career option is related to teaching and coaching physical education. These are called traditional career in physical education. Okay, this is important point. These are called traditional career in physical education. Okay, तो आपके पेपर में ये आ सकता है कि ट्रेडिशनल कैरियर ऑप्शन किसे कहा जाता है. तो आप फर्स्ट में लिख दें द फर्स्ट टाइप कैरियर ऑप्शन इज रिलेटेड टीचिंग एंड कोचिंग. ओके, so next point is the second type of career option is related to emerging career in physical education. Okay, what is the second point is the second type of career option is related to emerging careers in physical education. So class, these are some teaching career options in our physical education. So let's talk about this. Okay, so first number is teaching career. In teaching career is some other option is there. So let's discuss about the first is elementary school, second is middle school, third is high school, fourth is senior secondary school, and fifth is college and universities. Okay, so second number career option